Ebi byabaho bwa nyuma y'umuhezi wa mukuru w'impanuro z'ishengero ry'ihanga Thomas Tayebwa okuruga yakagamba hanshonga y'amashomo gaza University gahwireho kuba mingi bwa nyuma y'ikitongore cya Uganda National Council for Higher Education hamwe n'ikitongore cy'ibibugese na za University kutafa hanshonga z'amashomo gahwireho hagariyo ngashomesubwa atyo nuko kweta Minister w'ibibugese kurete cyandiko mu ishengero kandi akaragira akakiko ka parliament ak'ibibugese kucondoza.
And there is a very big scare. I've received very many messages from many student leaders in the country, from many parents, from some of you honorable colleagues on this issue. And I've taken my time off to consult a few stakeholders from National Council to the Ministry to universities. It's an issue which needs to be given very serious attention. But it's not an issue which we can just handle and come here, everyone contributes, we won't get the real picture of what's happening. I think it is very critical for the Minister of Education tomorrow to bring a statement on this issue, updating the country about the situation, because some of the information I got was that the original statement on expiry, of course, is a fake one. So, and I got this from a critical stakeholder. So we need to get very clear information on this floor of Parliament.
Nabwo nyuma abanyishengero bagamba hanshonga igingo yine korwaho mu bwanga hakuba bazire barino baronda sente kwera abana babo beto batari kumanyanga amashomo gakawaho
cishiri ahabo kuba abazire bitu munonga na munonga nkaitwa bari kwebembere bicweka ebyenyumoko ebitari bye town umwe muzire nabana yenda ngo omwana we akore kosi ningo mwana we ni yarukwenda konko mwatari kumanyanga ejo expiring ninga kaba written off so nintekateka ngo kwija bakatushoborera nitwe tukamanya courses niziha
we chairman w'akakiko k'ibibugese yahamiza abazire ngo utine kintu kitine ncwamu ngo nibija kureba ngo batunge ncwama hanshonga y'amashoma gahwireho
ezibagira ngo ze expiringire ninga ngo zuwireho uburinya tumushango gw'abana icyo kubanza National Council of Higher Education bakagiteka ko regulator wa universities kandi Minister of Education eroho ukora ngo yakora monitoring yareba ngo ibintu bakushomesa abana y'ibintu bikiri so icyo kibireho nikibimunonga nshwazi ihanga mushote inabatakora imirimo yabatakugikora giko ngito nkunyonko muntu nintekateka ngo mbaza kutunga umuhanda wo kutereza mu bibintu
gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.